In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Google Docs to create a stunning resume. Whether you're entering the job market for the first time or looking to spruce up your existing resume, Google Docs offers a range of options that can help you present yourself in the best light possible. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Google Docs and log into your Google account. If you don't already have an account, it's quick and easy to set one up, allowing you access to a variety of cloud-based document tools. Once you're logged in, the next step is to click on the template gallery at the top of the page. This will showcase a variety of templates available to you, making it easier to find one that suits your needs. As you scroll through the templates, focus on the resumes section. Here, you'll find options tailored for different professional aesthetics. For example, if you prefer a more traditional and clean look, the serif template might be your best bet. If you're into a more minimalist approach, you may want to go with the Swiss design. And for those who want a blend of creativity and professionalism, the Coral template provides a great option. Pick the template that resonates most with your personal style and start customizing. Now comes the personalization. Begin by replacing the placeholder text with your own information. This includes your full name, contact information such as your phone number, email, and LinkedIn profile if you have one. Remember, a brief professional summary of 2 to 3 sentences should highlight your key skills and experience. As you populate the work experience section, list your past jobs in reverse chronological order. Education details should follow, noting your highest degree first. Finally, emphasize your skills by showcasing the abilities most relevant to the roles you're seeking. Maintaining a consistent format throughout your resume is key, so it's crucial to ensure your font sizes are uniform. Typically, you'll want your name to stand out at 14 to 16 points in bold, section headers at 12 to 14 points in bold, and body text at 11 to 12 points. This consistency not only improves readability, but also lends a professional touch to your document. To ensure your resume looks neat, use the Format menu to adjust spacing. Align all elements neatly and ensure margins are uniform, as this contributes to a polished, finished product. Once you're happy with your resume, sharing it is as simple as clicking the Share button. Enter the email of the recipient and adjust access permissions if needed, allowing broader access to anyone with the link if required. You can also copy the link and click Done to finalize sharing. For those who prefer to send a physical copy, download your resume by clicking on File, then Download, and selecting PDF document.pdf. This format is widely accepted in professional settings and ensures your document appears just as you intended, regardless of the recipient's device or software. That's it. You've now created a professional-looking resume using Google Docs tailored to showcase your skills and experience. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and best of luck with your job search.